Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing wonderful in your happy life. And I'm also doing very well in my life. So welcome back to my channel Sonia English Academy. My name is Sonia and I'm from UP. So today is day 20 and I'm really very happy that I have reached the point where I can say that I have plotted one short videos, 19 one-shot videos, and it's really a great achievement for me. That's why I'm really very happy. And in this happiness, today I'm just going to tell you the value of reading. This is one of the most important aspect of speaking, but at the same time it is the most ignorant aspect of speaking, as most of the learners, what they do, they don't know the value, the power of reading, as when they start reading they don't get good result and they stop reading. This is the biggest mistake what we all do when we don't get benefits and stop reading. Let me tell you one thing, that reading is also of two types: a casual reading, where we read, we don't know much, we don't know any meaning, we don't know what is the meaning of this word, we just ignore the sentence formation, we just ignore the words, we just ignore the meaning, the sense of the sentence, we just ignore, we just read without understanding. But the another reading, that is meaningful reading, where we think a lot while come across new word, new phrase, new sentence formation, new structure, everything. That meaningful reading will always give fruitful result. And why reading doesn't give us result? One, we don't know the right way, the right pattern, the right method. And the another one, we just casually read, we don't pay attention on any new thing, right? So today's video is divided into two parts. In part 1, I'll be telling you 10 benefits of reading, the powerful, how powerful reading is. You will understand, you will come to know that how reading is powerful, how powerful is reading, and how we ignore it. When we ignore it, we don't get benefits, right? And in part 2, I'm just going to tell you the right way, the right method, the right process, the right technique to read, that will definitely, that will 100% give result. So in this video I will talk about only value and the benefits, 10 benefits. I'm gonna tell you 10 benefits in this video, and in my next video, that is part 2, I'll be telling you the right methods, right? Okay, so today, not today, yesterday. So now I'm just gonna tell you the benefits. So the first benefit is reading builds vocabulary. Yes, you heard it right. Reading, you don't have to you don't have to pay any extra attention on building your vocabulary. Reading will alone do everything to improve our spoken, right? And now how it builds our vocabulary. When we read, meaningfully reading, thoughtful reading, what we do when we come across lots of words, what we do, we Google the word and we come to know the meaning, and we note down the meaning in our diary. This is the right process of writing. Why I'm asking now, the question arises, why I'm asking to write that word in the diary? Because when we know the meaning of any word, it will disappear after some time. If we will jot down that in our diary, that will remain forever for us. We, after 1 week, after 2 weeks, after 3 weeks, we should watch those videos so that it will retain in our permanent memory, right? So whenever you come across new word, just to Google it. If we know the meaning, then it's okay, but if we don't know the meaning, then we should Google it to search, Google it and to search and to know the meaning, right? In this way it improves our vocabulary. Now it's time to talk about number 2, that is sentence structure. Yes, you heard it right. Reading improves our sentence structure, as when we read, we come across lots of sentence structure. Sometimes we come across present sentence structure, sometimes past, sometimes future, sometimes active, sometimes direct, sometimes passive, sometimes direct, sometimes indirect, sometimes phrases. So these structures get set in our mind while read. While read means meaningful reading. If we don't pay attention on any type of structure, they will not store in our mind and it will be just a casual reading, right? So it improves our sentence structure. We should thoughtfully read every sentence structure. This way your mind will grab the structure and it will store every structure in our mind, and at the time when we get in a situation when we need to the structure, all the structures will come out naturally, right? Now number 1, vocabulary. Now number 2, structure. Now number 3, speed. Reading increases your speed. Yes, you heard it right. And how it improves our speed? What you have to do? You have to read one sentence slowly, thoughtfully, meaningfully in one time. And in second time, you have to read the sentence, the paragraph in a fast speed. This process will improve your speed. Twice reading, one reading, thoughtfully, meaningful reading, and this another another reading is fast reading. That will improve your speed. Now number 1, vocabulary. Number 2, speed, sentence structure. Number 3, speed. Now number 4, reading gives ideas to speak. Yes, you when you read, while you read, you come across lots of ideas. For example, you know any phrase somewhere down the line, once in a blue moon, right? But you don't remember the word, you don't remember the pattern. When you will read, that will stuck in your mind. When you will get stuck in your speaking, that content, while reading, the content that is stored in your mind. For example, let me simplify the fact. When you read, you come across lots of ideas, and those ideas are stored in your brain, and when needed at the time of speaking, those ideas will come out naturally. You get freeze. Sometimes you get freeze not because your English is not good, not because your grammar is not good. It is just because you don't have content, you don't have ideas. Reading gives ideas to your mind. It gives content to your mind that gets stored in your brain, and it comes out naturally when needed at the time of speaking. Right? Now, vocabulary, sentence structure, speed, ideas. Right? Now, number 4. No, it's number 5. Now, pronunciation. Yes, you if you want to improve your pronunciation, you don't have to give extra time to your pronunciation. Read different novels, read different newspapers, read different reading different books. What will happen? You will come to, while reading, you come across a word and you don't know how to pronounce that word. Then you will go to the Google or Chat GPT or Gemini and ask the correct pronunciation. This way you will correct your pronunciation. Getting the point? You will get the correct pronunciation, and in this process will improve your pronunciation. While you read, if you are reading wrong pronunciation, for some time it will be okay, but after some time you yourself will realize that no, my pronunciation is not correct, and this voice will come out direct from your heart, and you will start working on your pronunciation. You will start Google while reading, right? Now vocabulary, sentence structure, speed, content, pronunciation. Now number 6, pattern. Yes, you heard it right. Reading improves your sentence language patterns. When you read continuously, when you read lots of when you do lots of reading, lots of many times you read the language structure. As English is not our mother tongue, if English is not your mother tongue, but you know the meaning, you understand English, when you read, the pattern of the language will get set in your mind. Don't underestimate the power of reading. Everything will get set only by reading. Language pattern, what is the correct pronunciation, what is the vocabulary, what is the speed, what so many things you will prepare while reading. You will come across while reading lots of patterns which you don't know either, which are not only structured in tenses, lots of different patterns, active passive syntax or synthesis or um, direct and indirect, so many language patterns they will get set in your mind. Now number 6, pattern. Now number 7, thinking in English. Reading improves your thinking in English. While you read, while you are in habit of reading daily, what will happen? Your brain will catch the pattern, your brain will catch the sentence structure, your brain will catch the vocabulary, your brain will catch the speed. All this will make you able to think in English. Your mind will stop translating while you will be reading all the time, continuously, constantly. Number 8 is grammar. Number 8 is grammar. Yes, we always think that we are not improving, our spoken is not improving just because we are not good at grammar. No, you don't have to pay any extra time, pay any extra attention on grammar. Reading itself will improve your grammar. While read, not only sentence structure, when sentence structure will get set in your mind, when pattern will get set in your mind, then automatically, naturally, grammar will also be set in your brain. We always pressurize grammar and grammar, and are you getting only reading is doing every job, right? It improves when you come across the preposition, the article, the adjective, the pronouns, the nouns. They will get framed in one sentence in your mind if you read meaningfully and thoughtfully. Now it's done. Sorry, 9. Now it's number 9. It is, what should I say, it is consistency. Reading improve your consistency. While you read daily, you learn to improve consistency. Your mind, while any day you are busy and you don't have time, your mind will pressurize you to do reading, because it has become a management of your mind. It has become a setup in your mind. It has become a routine in your mind that you read daily. Your mind will pressurize you and you will feel like reading daily, and it will improve consistency, right? Consistency plays the vital role in our spoken. While you are habit in doing one thing daily, it becomes the part of your life, and you start doing the same thing constantly with consistency. And the last one, 10th, that is the most important aspect, that is, yes, my son is asking something. He always disturbs me. Yes, you can play. So the last one is the best one. Reading improves confidence. Reading improves confidence, right? And now you will be surprised that why confidence? Reading, you don't even think about that. Reading can improve our confidence. Yes, it will improve your confidence. It will improve your confidence, as when your grammar will get improved, when your sentence pattern will get improved, when your sentence structure will get improved, when your language will get improved, when your consistency will be there, when you will be having ideas, you will be having content. So what will be the result? It will improve, it will give confidence. You will feel confident, you will feel prepared. When you have everything, the pattern, the sentence structure, the language pattern, pronunciation, everything will be ready, and you will feel like ready to speak. And you will come to know that I'm speaking because I know my grammar is good, my pattern is okay, my structure is fine. You will be confident. So it improves our confidence. So these were 10 powerful benefits of reading. If you guys are ignoring reading, it's my humble request, don't ignore. The more you read, the more English becomes the part of your life. The more you read, the more you become habitual of English. The more you read, the more you start thinking in English. The more you read, the more grammar will get set in your mind. It's only reading. Reading alone is doing lots of things for you. It plays the role of grammar. I have talked lots of things. Now I don't want to repeat the same thing. Now in next video I'll be telling the right way of reading. Right now my son is coming again and again and he's disturbing me. Right? Wait, I'm just coming. So if you want to know something about trading, you can comment in the comment section. You can ask me in the comment section, and please like the video, subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button, sorry, hit the bell icon, so that our video can reach you. Now catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and have a smile on your face.